Galaxy M14 spotted on official Samsung India website, could launch soon. Samsung is soon expected to launch the Galaxy M14 5G in India as the smartphone has been listed on the company's official website. By Ankita Garg, it seems that Samsung is gearing up to launch the Galaxy M14 5G in India as the smartphone has been listed on the company's official website. The budget device is already available in Europe and the model number of the Samsung Galaxy M14 has been spotted on the site. As of now, there is no official confirmation on the launch of this 5G phone. But, since the handset has made an appearance on Samsung's site, the launch event might not be too far. It is unknown whether the company will launch the Samsung Galaxy M14 with the same specifications. We could expect more or less the same features because Samsung has rarely done anything like this. Here is everything we know about this Samsung phone. Samsung Galaxy M14, specifications, features. In Europe, the Samsung Galaxy M14 comes with a 6.6-inch PLS LCD display, which operates at Full HD Plus resolution. The device is backed by 4GB RAM and 128GB of storage. The company has also given the option to extend the internal storage using a dedicated micro SD card. To recall, the Samsung Galaxy M13 features a 6000 mAh battery, a 50-megapixel triple rear camera setup, a 6.6-inch display and more.